So with this, I recommend you get a flathead screwdriver. What you need to do is kind of, if I just flick this for now, if you just pull on either side and just pull it away from each other, these two come apart. And once they do, I recommend something quite sharp and not too dangerous, but yeah. And then you just kind of put it into this bit here in between, and you just dig it in. If I find the right spot, there we are. Once you've dug it in, it comes apart, and just twist it like that. Once you have, it'll come apart, and that's where you find the battery. And again, the battery, use this flat end of it, and then just dig it in there. If it comes out, there we are. Once it's out, this is the battery that's used for it. And the way to put it back in, again, same. Put it on, pop these two back on, just like that, and squeeze both ends. That's all in. And same again, just push it in so it slides up this way up. Slide it in. There we go, all in. And yeah, there you are.